Student, I am Priyanka Doshi. Today we study about the chapter 2 of supplementary class 8 children at work. Today I am explaining the part 1 of this chapter. Children at Work is a sensible story by Geeta Wolf which focuses on the living of slum children. This story teaches us to be empathic with these children and help whatever we can. There are many reasons why children have to work. Millions of children in our country have to work. They are too poor to go to school or play. They have to earn something to help their families. But there are some children who run away from their homes, unhappy homes. They face great difficulties. Most often they fall in a wrong hand. In this story involves a story of boy named Valu. He was a small boy of 11 years. His father was a drunkard. His father used to beat him and his sister and used to snatch every money they earned. Valu was fed up with the day-to-day abuses and decided to run away from home. He walked all day in Kannur and later on boarded Kanyakumari Express. Kanyakumari Express brought him to Chennai Central. Valu got off the train at Chennai Central. His legs were unsteady as if he was still standing in a moving train. It was because of tiredness, weakness, and fear. The crowds and the way the people looked upon him made him miserable. He sat on the bench of the platform with his small bundle beside him. Chennai Central Express is a huge station. Valu saw people in a rush with their suitcases. A loudspeaker was shouting with announcement. Some people were watching a big TV screen. Some were sitting on the platform. He felt the noise miserable. He was feeling miserable and exhausted. He had eaten nothing but some peanuts and piece of jaggery in these 2 days. He carried a shirt, a towel, and a comb in his bundle. He reached Chennai Central in the Kanyakumari Express without a ticket. He had no money for the ticket, but luckily the ticket collector didn't come to the unreserved compartment. He tried to sleep on the floor near the door of the train, but the group of men playing cards and shouting made him sleepless. Valu was awakened by a rough voice. When he turned around, he saw a girl of his own age wearing a long banyan that reaches her knees. Her hair was stiff and brownish, and she had a huge sack on one shoulder. She was picking up dirty cups from the floor and stuffing them into her sack. She asked his name and inquired whether he had run away from home. But Valu didn't want to share his secret with this strange girl that he ran away from home because he couldn't bear his father beating him for one more day. His father would snatch all the money Valu and his sister earned and spend it on drunk. The girl asked about his plan, but he did not answer. When he felt hungry, pinching him, the girl told him that she can find some food if he want. The girl was a rag picker. She picked her sack and moved away. Valu thought she was his only hope. He had no idea where to go. He jumped up and ran after her. She wasn't even looking back to her where he was, but he followed her. Thank you.